Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to explain the integrating factors of a differential equation. In especially competitive exams like MSET, TSET, etc., for each and every competitive exam, in objective type questions, definitely these questions may appear. So, for that purpose, in this video, I have to explain some important model problems regarding integrating factors. So, before going to explain the problems, just I have to give some information regarding IF. For suppose the dy by dx plus py is equal to q. The differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here where p and q are the functions of x only. P and q are the functions of x only. Functions of x only. Remember this one. If we express dy by dx is equal to py plus q, py is equal to q. Here p and q are the functions of x. And one more thing, suppose p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3. These are also nothing but functions of x. Is a constant function. So, first of all, you have to express like this, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. And also, one more, here dy by dx and y may not product together. They are not multiplying together. Remember this one. Okay. These are the 2 points you should remember. How can you recognize the given dE is nothing but it is linear in y. This is called linear in y. Linear in y. Linear in y means simply the equation must be of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the functions of x and the differential coefficient, that means dy by dx and y may not multiply together. Okay. Now, after expressing the given dE in this form, now IF integrating factor simply we have to denote like this. IF is equal e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. Now we can evaluate this one. Especially to evaluate this type of functions, just you have to remember this one. E power log f of x is equal to f of x. E power log f of x equal to f of x. Here base is e. That's why in logarithms we know that a power log m to the base is equal to m. Suppose here e power log sin x is there. Suppose e power log sin x is there. Here clearly this is the f of x. So that means clearly the value is nothing but sin x. Suppose the same one here, suppose the same one minus log x is there. So here this you can write x power minus 1 because n into log a is equal log a power n. This multiply becomes the power. So minus log x becomes x power minus 1. So this is the function here. So x power minus 1 becomes 1 by x. So remember this one, to evaluate IF means integrating factors means remember this formula e power log f of x equal to f of x. Strongly you should remember this one. Okay. Now this is called linear in y. Suppose in some cases the same one here you see sometimes the equation may have the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here p and dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here in this case p and q are functions of y only. Functions of y only. So this is called linear in x. This is called linear equation, linear differential equation in x. Linear in x. Here remember the same condition. Here the differential quotient and x may not come together, may not multiply together. Okay? Are you clear about this one? If the equation dx by dy plus px is equal to q, this is nothing but linear differential equation in x. Now here p and q are the functions of y only. Now in this case if is equal, you have to integrate with respect to y. With respect to y. Okay? Let us start one by one problems. Okay? One thing. Now first problem. 1 minus y square into dx by dy plus yx is equal to ay. That means only in this one dx by dy. Here you see dx by dy plus px is equal to q. We should transform the given dE in this form dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here p and q are the functions of x. That's why this is called linear in x. That's why first of all what you should do means simply throughout dividing with 1 minus y square. So we have to obtain dx by dy plus y by 1 minus y square into x is equal ay by 1 minus y square. Only in this question we have to find if only, integrating factors only. Remember this one, not to find the solution of the dE. Okay, are we clear? Now here you see p is equal only, here p is required. Actually we have to mention q also, but only we have to calculate to this one only. Okay, now if is equal e power integral p dy. So this is nothing but e power integral y by 1 minus y square dy. So see this one, f dash y by f of y. Clearly here the derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus y square is minus 2y. That's why I have to multiply with the 2, again divide with minus 2. Here if you write the derivative of denominator means simply what you have to do is derivative of this one is minus 2y. That's why here I have to multiply with minus 2. Again same I have to divide with 2 minus 2. Okay? No change in this one. 1 minus y square dy. That's all. Okay? Okay? Have it clear? So f dash y by f of y means log. F dash x by f of x means log x. Here integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal log f of x. Similarly, f dash y by f of y means f of y dy means log of f of y. So clearly this is nothing but e power minus 1 by 2 log of 1 minus y square. So this becomes e power log of 1 minus y square whole power minus 1 by 2. Clearly here y interval is given, that's why in this case that should be positive. No need to mention modulus. Okay. So clearly e power log f of I is equal to f of I. So now the answer is like this. 1 minus y square whole power minus 1 by 2. But in options this may not appear. This you have to simplify. You see, suppose a power minus 1 by 2. This you can write a power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 means what you have to do? Root under root. Power 1 by 2 means under root. So in the same way, simply the answer is 1 by square root of 1 minus y square. So this is the integrating factor of the given dA. Remember this one. Just in competitive exam, question is like this only. IF of the integrating factor of the dA. So to find integrating factor means simply you have to write the given equation in this form. Either dx by dy plus px is equal to q or dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay. Next, second problem. X log x into dy by dx, x log x plus dy by dx, x log x. Second question, x log x dy by dx, x log x dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. 2 log x. You see, x log x dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. That means clearly here you see what we have to express the given dA means dy by dx plus py is equal to q. We have to express the given dE in this form because dy by dx is there. That means here p and q are functions of x only. So what you have to do is simply you should divide throughout with x log x. That means the given dE becomes dy by dx plus y by x log x is equal to log x divided by x log x. That means this you can rewrite like this. Simply dy by dx. Here p means simply what you have to do is you have to rewrite like this into y. Log x get cancelled. That's all. Always you should express like this only. Clearly this is nothing but p. Therefore IF is equal e power integral p dx. That means e power integral 1 by x log x dx. 1 by x log x dx. Again, if you observe log x derivative 1 by x, again you should rewrite like this 1 by x whole divided by log x whole divided by log x e power. Okay, the same integration like this. That means f dash x by f of x. F dash x by integral f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x gives us log f of x plus c. But only we have to write log f of x only. For solution, we have to mention c. So no need to mention c here. Okay. So clearly e power here f of x log x. That means log of log x. Log of log x. Okay. So e power log f of x equal f of x. So this is nothing but f of x. So answer is log x. Answer is log x. Since logarithms are always positive, So no need to mention modulus. Okay. So here in this one only you should remember e power log f of x is equal to f of x. So clearly this is the f of x here. So answer is log x. Okay. Have you clear this one? So if you identify the given dE either in linear in y or linear in x, just you have to find if directly. Okay. Next problem. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power tan inverse x. E power tan inverse x. So clearly we have to express dy by dx plus py. dy by dx plus py is equal to q, which is linear in y. So that's why first of all dividing throughout with 1 plus x square. Dividing throughout with 1 plus x square. So we will get dy by dx plus y divided by 1 plus x square is equal e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So clearly again you should write like this because py, so p into y, this you can write 1 by 1 plus x square into y. So like this you have to express finally is equal e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So clearly this is linear in y because we can express the given one is nothing but dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is nothing but p. So this is nothing but p. So if is equal e power integral p dx. Okay, that means e power integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square means integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx means tan inverse x. So e power tan inverse x, that's all. This is the d. Only whenever the form is log of f of x, e power log f of x means f of x. E power log f of x means f of x. But here no logarithm is there. So just you have to write like this only. No need to simplify. Okay. This is the if of the given d. Okay. Next. dy by dx. Next problem. dy by dx is equal x plus y plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1. dy by dx is equal x plus y plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1. So clearly here dy by dx is there. The differential coefficient is nothing but dy by dx. That means always remember the given dE must be rewrite like this form only. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Remember, only x terms or constant terms must be kept in RHS only. No y terms should be there. That means first of all you have to simplify this one. Here x plus 1 is there. That means numerator can be rewrite like this. Simply you have to write the numerator as x plus 1 plus y. So that means if you separate this one, what you have to do? Simply you have to write like this: x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus y by x plus 1. That means this will get cancelled. This will get to cancel. So finally dy by dx. So here you see 1 plus y by x plus 1. But in RHS only constant terms are x terms only. So just kept RHS only 1. So this becomes y by x plus 1 is equal to 1. Again this you can write dy by dx plus minus 1 by x plus 1 into y is equal to 1. Remember this one. Always you have to express the given dE in that form only. After that you have to find if. Remember this one. Without changing the given dE like this, we didn't find if. So clearly this is nothing but p. This is nothing but p. This whole bracket is nothing but p. Therefore if is equal into e power integral p dx. That means e power integral minus 1 by 1 plus x or x plus 1, no problem. X plus 1 or 1 plus x, no problem. So clearly this is nothing but minus log x plus 1. Okay. This is nothing but e power log x plus 1 whole power minus 1. So clearly that is the function x plus 1 whole power minus 1. So this you can write finally 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So first of all you have to observe the given dE. After that just we have to classify whether it is in linear in y or linear in x. First of all you have to decide yourself. Okay. So according to that one you have to regroup, rearrange, rewrite the given dE. Okay. Have you cleared this one? Next problem dy by dx minus y cot x, dy by dx minus y cot x is equal cosecant x, Here clearly the given equation directly expressed in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here this is nothing but minus cot x is nothing but p, because just you should write one more step. You should write one more step like this. That's all. Clearly the given dE, clearly by observing we may obtain dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p is nothing but this one. So if is nothing but if e power integral p dx. That means e power integral minus cot x dx. That means e power minus cot x. Cot x means log of sin x. Okay. Actually modulus, but in options modulus is not given. So this you can write e power log sin x whole power minus 1. So here the function is sin x whole power minus 1. Sin x whole power minus 1 means 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x means cosecant x. Okay. 1 by sin x means cosecant x simply. So this is the if for the given dE. Okay. Next problem. dy by dx plus 2y is equal e power minus x. Now clearly dy by dx plus py is equal to q. That means clearly b is equal to p is equal to. Therefore if is equal e power integral p dx. Constant term is nothing but function of x. So e power integral 2 dx. That means 2 into integral 1 dx. That means e power 2x. E power 2x. But sometimes in this problem he may ask the solution of d, because this is the simple one. That's why the problem may be given the solution of the dE. So if the solution is required means simply solution is y into IF. If the solution, if in the given question, he may ask solution means you have to write y into IF is equal integral q into IF dx plus c. Remember this one. This is the solution. Now y into e power 2x. Next, q means here this is the q. Here q is equal e power minus x. So e power minus x into e power 2x dx plus c. Here a power m into a power n means a power m plus n. Here a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. That means clearly base is the e. Minus x plus 2x means x. Here e power minus x plus 2x means, here minus x plus 2x means x. So y into e power 2x is equal e power x dx plus c. That means e power x integral e power x. Okay. So this is the solution. Or sometimes he may given in the options dividing throughout with e power 2x. That means what you have to obtain, y is equal e power x by e power 2x plus c by e power 2x. That means y is equal a power n by a power n means a power n by a power n means a power m minus n. That means clearly e power minus x plus c into e power minus 2x. So this is the solution. If in the given question, the question is like this only, you have to write, or else simply IF. The solution of the DE means this is the complete solution of the given DE. But in most of the problems, only the question may be given IF of the DE, the integrating factor of the DE. So that's why in all the previous problems, I may not given the solutions, only IF. But this is the simplest one. So sometimes the given question like this, solution of DE. So in that case, just you have to write like this. Okay. Next another question. An integrating factor of the DE. 1 plus y x square y. 1 plus y plus x square y dx plus x cube dy is equal to 0. Is x plus x cube dy is equal to 0. Here you see, if suppose the given question is like this, we have a little confusion whether we can express in linear in y or linear in x. What I have to say, remember that one, differential coefficient and y may not be together, multiplied together. And remember one more point, the degree of y must be 1 only, linear in y. So clearly you see, degree of y is 1. That means you have to express dy by dx only. This is the secret point. Remember, whether we have to express in dx by dy or dy by dx means, you have to confirm first point, dy by dx and y may not multiply together. And also one more point, the power of y must be 1 only. So clearly power of y is 1. That's why just what you have to write, dy by dx. That means simply you have to write 1 plus y plus x square y plus x cube dy by dx is equal to 0. So that means simply here, if you take x as common, 1 plus x square into dy by dx. Okay, here only In right side only constant term or functions of x only. Here you see in this 2 y into 1 plus x square. So that's why just I have to transpose this one to RHS only, because right side required only functions of x only. No need to write the y terms. That's why I have to kept these two terms in LHS only. Now clearly, just what you have to do is simply dividing throughout with this one only, because here we must express the given dE is of the form like this one only. So dy by dx plus py is equal to q form. That's why the coefficient must be unity. So dividing throughout with this one, what we will get? Dy by dx plus y into 1 plus x square divided by x into 1 plus x square is equal to minus 1 by x into 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square get cancelled. That means clearly dy by dx, this you can write 1 by x into y, 1 by x into y, y by x we can write 1 by x into y, because py, so p is the function of x, so clearly this is the p, this is p, therefore if is equal e power integral p dx, that means e power 1 by x dx, that means e power 1 by x means log x. So answer is x, because this is the function e power log f of x equal f of x. Okay, so you see, so this question is given in the previous MSET examination. Okay, previous competitive exam, the question is like this. Okay, so don't confuse about this one. Simply just observe the given dE and just memorize. Just you should memorize what we learned from the previous one. Be cool. Okay, so just think about the linear in y. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q form. Here dy by dx and y may not multiply together at the same time. The power of y must be 1 only. That's why linear in y. Okay, so just you have to solve this one only. Okay, next problem. Next another one, x plus 2y cube, x plus 2y cube into dy by dx, x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y square. No confusion about this one. Just one thing you should remember, linear in y means the power of y must be 1 only. Power of y must be 1 only. Remember this one. Okay. Linear in y means power of y must be 1 only. You see here power of y is 2. Power of y is 3. So this is not linear in y. Remember this one. That means other one is only linear in x. That means what you have to write is simply, first of all, you should write like this: x plus 2y cube by y square is equal to dx by dy. Because here you see, here clearly the given one is linear in x only. That's why here the power of x is 1 only. That's why you have to x plus dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to, you see, x by y square plus 2y cube by y square. That means clearly you see 1 by y square into x plus 2y only. That means dx by dy minus 1 by y square into x is equal to 2y That means dx by dy plus minus 1 by y square into x is equal to y. So, observing the given d, most of the student may think this is linear in y because here dy by dx is clearly given. No second thought. So, here is a little difficult one. One thing you should remember, linear in x or linear in y means the power must be 1 only. Power must be 1 only. Here clearly the power of x, the index of the exponent of x is 1 only. So this is linear in x. That means you have to express the given one, given d in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here p and q are the functions of y only. So this is nothing but p. So therefore if is equal integral p dy. That means integral minus y square dy. That means e power minus integral 1 by y square dy. So 1 by y square integral of 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x. In the same way, this is nothing but minus 1 by y. So if is nothing but, that's all, e power 1 by y. E power 1 by y is the if integrating factor of the given d. You see how nice this one? Okay. So in this video I am explaining about the integrating factors only. In any competitive exam, to find IF means just you have to do like this only. Definitely in the next video I am giving the solutions of the given d, whether it is linear in x or linear in y. In both the models I have to clearly give the detailed explanation in the next video. Goodbye. Okay. So one thing, once again, I request you, please, yet now anyone may not subscribe my channel means, please subscribe my channel immediately. That will be most encouraged or boosted with me. And also, if you really like this video, please give me one like. Also, if it is very useful to others means, if you think like that, just you may share this one. And also, give me your comments in the comment box only, heartful comments. Whether it is negative or positive, no problem. We have to consider both are the same. And also, one more point, please subscribe Gayatri's Gallery channel also. Please subscribe Gayatri's Gallery channel also. It's my daughter's channel, YouTube channel, Gayatri. Gayatri's Gallery. So please subscribe this channel also. Okay. So next video I am explaining the solutions of linear differential equation. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.